I'm here with Sally Baer of BB Needlepoint Designs, and she was showing me some cool things she does with Krynic thread. She's got one of our holographic colors. You can see it. What thread is it? Which size?
It was a 12, number 12 that I used, and it's also over here. And I took the thread, if you hold that for a second, and I took the ends apart and kind of pulled to find, and then I found one of the non-metallic and gently pulled it up and pushed the others down, and I call my scrunchie stitch.
Right.
And I ruched it, and then I laid it in a circle and tacked it down. So instead of doing like a bullion and turning it around, instead of doing French knots to give it gives a nice little, full texture,
right.
quick to do.
Very quick, yes.
And I got to pull all the ribbons apart, and it's just in with a high luster. I love it.
That holographic is just...
Oh, the holographic.
The
Okay.
color itself adds dimension, and then once you ruche it and couch it down, it's perfect for a flower center.
Yeah, it works. Just great fun.
What's the name of this designer? What's the small stocking?
This is the stocking number 1.
Stocking number 1. Great idea for flower centers.
Yes, it really is. Worked out nicely.